Hi, today's topic is the explanation of has, have, and had. Let's learn how to use them with examples. There are three conditions we should follow. First one, has, have, and had are used in sentences to show ownership. Example, I have a bike. Here, I is the owner of the bike, so we use have. Second condition, has and have are used for present tense, had is used for past tense. Third condition, has is used with the singular subject he, she, it. For example, he has a new mobile. Here, he is the singular, so we use has. Similarly, have is used with the plural subject you, we, they, and one singular subject I. For example, I have a new mobile. Here, I is treated as singular but takes have. Had is used with both singular and plural subject in the past tense. He, she, it, I, you, we, they. For example, I had a button type mobile in 1999. Here, had is used because it refers to the past 1999. Another example using singular subject is she had a lot of toys in her childhood. Here, had is used because it refers to the past childhood. Here is the tabular column summarizing what I explained. You can take a screenshot and use it for future reference. Let's go with an example sentences. Number 1. They dash so many chocolates now. Here, first we see the subject they, which is plural, so we cannot use has. There are two possibilities, have or had. The word now indicates the present, so we use have. Answer, they have so many chocolates now. Second question, let's go with the same example. They dash so many chocolates yesterday. Here, the subject they is plural, so we cannot use has. There are two possibilities, have or had. The word yesterday indicates the past, so we use had. Answer, they had so many chocolates yesterday. Third question, she dashed a new ball today. Here the subject she is singular, so we cannot use have. There are two possibilities, has or had. The word today indicates the present, so we use has. Answer, she has a new ball today. Here is a question for you to answer. We dash many friends during school days. Comment your answer below. Thank you.